For day 1, I am making oatmeal, and this is definitely the breakfast I eat the most since the flavor possibilities are endless. To make this, all you gotta do is combine the ingredients listed on the screen in a stovetop, and then stir. The key to getting it creamy is to keep on stirring. Look how good that looks. Best breakfast ever. So it is Tuesday morning and I'm in the mood to make some banana pancakes, and it takes only 5 ingredients, which are egg, banana, flour, milk, baking powder, and optional cinnamon. To make this, start by mashing a banana until a puree consistency, then mix in the egg and milk. Now add in flour, baking powder, and optional cinnamon. Stir until a smooth consistency has formed, and then cook on a low to medium heat pan. Flip once bubbles appear, and now you can add all the toppings. And don't forget a drizzle of maple syrup. Happy Wednesday! We're halfway through the week, and today I'm eating chia seed pudding. And this is one of my favorite breakfasts since it can be prepared the night before with only 4 ingredients. It's also super high in fiber, which is great for keeping things moving in the morning. Hi guys, I'm actually outside right now since I'm about to go to the grocery store to pick up some fruits. And I'm bringing this cute little Trader Joe's bag with me. Okay, so I'm done my little grocery shopping trip. I spent only like 20 bucks. Then again, I only bought fruits. I super want to be a vlogger now. Today marks the final day of me filming a what I eat in a week, and I'm gonna make custard toast to finish it off since I think it's a pretty fancy breakfast, but it's actually easier than it looks. a custard, but the outside is crunchy, so it's like really good. That wraps up the week. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and you're able to find some breakfast inspiration. See you next time. Bye!